In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text when you hover over an image in Wix. We're going to create a clean hover effect where text appears when someone moves their mouse over an image. Open your Wix editor and start by adding a new element. Click the plus icon to open the Add Elements panel. From there, choose Box, and then select Hover Boxes. Hover boxes are great because they already include two states, default and hover, so you can design what visitors see before and during the hover. Pick a hover box style you like and drag it onto your page. Once it's on the canvas, tidy it up so you're only working with what you need. If the template includes extra items like buttons or icons you don't plan to use, remove those from the hover content so the effect stays focused on your image and text. Next, click the image inside the hover box and choose Edit Image. This opens the image editor. Select text inside the editor to add a text layer directly on top of the image. Choose the text type or preset that suits your design, then replace the placeholder with your own words. Keep it short and scannable. Think a title, a product name, or a brief callout. Fine-tune the look of the text. Adjust the font to match your site's typography, then refine the styles, such as size, color, and weight, so it's legible over the image. Use alignment to position the text exactly where you want it, centered, left aligned, or anchored to a corner. If you need the image to show through more clearly, tweak the opacity of the text or any background shape behind it to strike the right balance. When you're happy with the overlay, click Save to apply the changes. With the hover box selected, switch to the hover state so you can control how it animates. Click Hover, then choose Effect and pick Grow. This effect subtly enlarges the image as the text appears, which feels smooth and intentional. Click Customize to refine it. Use the slider to dial in the zoom level, just enough to add emphasis without cropping important parts of the image. Small adjustments here can make the interaction feel polished. When everything looks good, head to the top right and click Preview to test the effect. Hover over the image and make sure the text appears cleanly. The animation feels natural and the layout doesn't shift unexpectedly. If anything feels off, jump back to the editor to tweak the text size, alignment, or effect intensity. That's it. Your image now reveals text on hover in Wix, creating a professional, interactive touch with just a few edits.